dear students, myself Gangadhar Solanke and I welcome you all to the MC James virtual classroom. My dear students, today in EVS part 1 we'll be learning the topic let us solve our own problems. Now in this topic we are going to discuss about the problems and its solutions. So first thing is which is very important to solve the problem is that to understand the nature of problem, and once you understood the nature of problem then you can go for the solutions. So while solving any problem always we need to think into different angles, and at the same time we need to think that to solve this problem of whom we can take help, or is the problem is personal or is of school level or is of our classroom problem, or the problem is family problem, or the problem is our social problem. So all these things are very important to consider while solving problems, and in this topic we'll discuss about the problems and its solution. So here in our textbook 4 images are given and the heading is what problems can you identify from the following picture. Now in this, the first one, this one is the first picture in which my area gets water only thrice a week. वीक में सिर्फ 3 बार पानी आता है, इज द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ सेकेंड वन, इन सेकेंड वन द गार्बेज हैज पील्ड अप. I have to walk to school with my nose covered, and that boy you can see in the picture how he is covering his nose and walking towards the school. Now the third one, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. And now the fourth one, my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Now 4 situations or the 4 problems are there. In the first one, my area gets water only thrice a week, which means that here it is water problem or water shortage or shortage of water. In the second one, the garbage has filled up. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. It means that the problem is cleanliness problem. Third one, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. This is again transportation problem or the problem related with the road and transport. And fourth one is the personal problem, that is my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Now here the first thing which we have to do is that to understand the nature of problem. जैसे पहला problem है कि my area gets water only thrice a week, वीक में 3 बार ही पानी आता है. नाउ ये प्रॉब्लम किसका है ये समझ में आने के बाद हमें ये पता चल सकता है कि हम उसकी कंप्लेन कहाँ पर करेंगे. And same with all other pictures. So if we discuss about the problems, then in this issues in civic life, we encounter many problems in our civic life, like shortage of water, cleanliness problem, or any personal problem. These problems cause us inconvenience. The first thing is problem and then inconvenience because of the problem. जैसे वो लड़का है उसको स्कूल में जाने के लिए अपना नोज कवर करके जाना पड़ता है क्योंकि पूरी गंदगी, पूरा कचरा, पूरा गार्बेज वहाँ पर रोड पे फैला हुआ है. तो प्रॉब्लम है क्लीनलीनेस का and he is having problem or he is inconvenience. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder because of problem. Our daily routine get disturbed, and if we turn a blind eye towards problems, then they become worse. It is like the disease. जैसे हमें कुछ डिसीज़ हो जाता है या फिर हमारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है और हम उसकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो वो चीज़ बढ़ जाती है और उससे फिर हमें हमारी जान को भी खतरा हो सकता है. प्रॉब्लम्स आर ऑल्सो सेम. अगर हम उनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं देंगे, इफ़ वी टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई, हम उनको अनदेखा करेंगे, देन दे बिकम वर्स. वो बहुत ही बुरी तरह से हमें इनकन्वीनियंस करते हैं. देन व्हाट टू डू? The problems faced by people in cities and villages can be called problems or issues in civic life. Problems faced by people in cities and villages. For example, in cities, problem of water shortage. If we talk about the villages, then the problem of electricity or the problem of cleanliness. These problems are issues in civic life, and it is important to be able to identify such issue. First and the very important thing, what to do? If there is problem, then you need to understand the issue. One person alone cannot solve such problems. They can be solved through everyone's efforts and cooperation. So here two things which are very important, efforts and cooperation, क्योंकि ये किसी एक का प्रॉब्लम नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिटी प्रॉब्लम्स, देन द ट्रैफिक इज वेरी बिग इशू, एंड टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम one person cannot solve this. Then together and with the efforts, with the cooperation of each other, we can solve this problem. Same thing with the cleanliness. So always keep in mind that whenever there is problem or issue in our civic life, that is not the personal problem or individual problem, and one cannot personally solve the issue, then what to do? It is very important to be together, cooperate each other, and then solve the problem. Now the next, the problems faced by people in cities. You can see the pictures. Problems in cities like pollution because of industrial areas, traffic, cleanliness problem, or overpopulation, and the problems faced by people in villages, that is the water pollution, infrastructure problem for the basic things like education and for health, then the issues related with the water or clean water. So these are the problems faced by people in villages. Then the solving disputes. Solving disputes arising over various issues in our towns. Now not only in towns but in villages can also be a problem. The well-being of a village is affected by constant disputes. लगातार झगड़े हैं, कुछ disputes है दो लोगों में या फिर दो सोशल क्लास में या फिर किसी दो ग्रुप में, किसी भी सिटी या शहर में, then it may affect the well-being of a village and it leads to loss of unity, which is very important in the development. It may be economically or to be culturally together. So when there is any type or kind of dispute, then it leads to loss of unity and obstructs the progress of the village. क्योंकि दो लोग हैं या फिर दो ग्रुप है, दोनों में झगड़े हैं और किसी प्रोग्रेस की बात अगर गांव के लिए चल रही है तो एक लोग एक बात करेंगे और दूसरे वाले दूसरी बात करेंगे, दोनों का आपस में मत कभी भी एक साथ नहीं जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज it may obstruct the progress of the village. And if the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by sitting together, by speaking to the parties involved, by discussing the issue, and by taking into consideration the things of both the parties. दो लोगों को साथ में बिठाकर उनकी बातें सुनना, उस पर डिस्कस करना और सब ने साथ में मिलकर उस पर सॉल्यूशन निकालना इज द सॉल्यूशन. So if the disputes are not serious, then they can be solved locally by speaking to the parties involved. However, if the dispute is not solved in this way, by sitting together, by discussing, then what? It has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the courts. Appropriate bodies, senior citizens of the village, उनके पास ये प्रॉब्लम जा सकता है, वो लोग बैठ के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और वहां पर भी अगर ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व होता है, देन इट हैज टू बी टेकन टू द कोर्ट्स. इन दिस वे one can solve dispute. Now here, since 2007, Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission is being implemented in our state, and the aim of this scheme is that villages should be able to solve their own disputes through what? Through peaceful discussions. कोर्ट में जाने का काम ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Through peaceful discussions, and this method of solving disputes increases, what it increases? It increases harmony in the village, क्योंकि उनके प्रॉब्लम वहीं पर आपस में बैठ के सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. कोर्ट में जाने का काम नहीं पड़ता है, तो दोनों पार्टीज का नुकसान उसमें नहीं होता है और गांव की डेवलपमेंट में भी इसका फायदा होता है. सो विलेजेस विच हैव सॉल्व्ड देयर डिस्प्यूट्स बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड also get a peace award, and in cities mohalla committees help to solve disputes. In villages we have Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission, and in cities it is mohalla committees to solve disputes. Then the problem solving, we discussed about this. Problem solving, in problem solving it is very important to understand the issue or the problem first, and then only you can go to solve the problem. So in this, if we are talking about the civic problems or solving disputes, the name of Hure Bazar is very important. In the village of Hure Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage. What was the problem? Water shortage was a big problem, but the people of that village came together and solved their problem. So this problem was solved with the help of what? With the help of participation of the villagers. And now Hure Bazar has lush green surroundings. The problem of animal feed was also solved. So two problems basically, water problem or water shortage and the problem of animal feed. And these problems were solved by coming together, by participating in the work of the village. So many villages face water shortage, and you people can find the reasons for this and suggest solutions. Now you can discuss this with your parents or with your brother or sister at home, because during this corona pandemic we people are stuck at home. So you people do this with your family members, discuss about the reasons for the water shortage. Here in the images you can see how worst the situation Then next point, cleaning a village through Shramdan. The people of Kudwadi village in Usmanabad district, first Hiwre Bazar which was in Ahmednagar district and now the Kudwadi which is in Usmanabad district, cleaned their village through Shramdan or voluntary contribution of labor. In Shramdan what people do, लोग इकट्ठा आते हैं, साथ में सोचते हैं कि हमारे गांव की क्लीनलीनेस करना है, सफाई करनी है और सब साथ में मिलके ये गांव हमारा है और हमें ही इसे साफ करना है, ये सोच के श्रमदान करके, और वी कॉल इट एज वॉलंटरी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लेबर, वो साफ करते हैं. दे डिसाइडेड दैट everyone should help. This one is very important. Everyone should help in cleaning the village, and first the waste water was dealt with. The garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture, and a toilet was built in each house. So problem was solved through श्रमदान और वॉलंटरी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क, जैसे टॉयलेट बिल्ट है, यूज़ ऑफ वर्मिकल्चर है, या फिर वेस्ट वाटर को डील करना है. ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स उन्होंने अपने गांव के लिए सॉल्व कर दिए. नाउ वी कैन डू दिस विद द फैमिली. घर में अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं या फिर स्कूल में हमारे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं तो हम साथ बैठ के सोच के टीचर्स की हेल्प लेके उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, सब इकट्ठा काम करके. दैट इज वॉलेंट्री कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लेबर. नाउ इन दिस two very important names, and the first one is of Sant Garge Baba, who used kirtans to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. Kirtan is a kind of spreading awareness among the people. लोगों में awareness पैदा किया जाता है, और गाड़गे बाबा का जो कीर्तन होता था वो basically based on the keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress. We cannot make progress without cleanliness, without education, and without self-reliance. So our village should be clean. हमारे बच्चे पढ़े लिखे होने चाहिए, that is education, and the youth of the country or the village should be self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through his own actions. वो जिस भी गांव में कीर्तन करने जाते थे, रात में वो कीर्तन होता था और दिन भर वो गांव की सफाई करते थे, और रात में फिर लोगों को सफाई के बारे में, क्लीनलीनेस का, एजुकेशन का, सेल्फ रिलायंस का इम्पोर्टेंस बताते थे. इससे लोगों में अवेयरनेस आ जाता था. सो द क्लीनलीनेस, एजुकेशन एंड सेल्फ रिलायंस, वेरी important things for the development of any village or any place. Then next to the Sant Garge Maharaj, Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj, who explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Gram Gita is a book written by Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj, and in that he wrote, Miloni Karavi Gram Safai. Together we can clean the village. Nala Mori Thai Thai, each and every corner of the village. हस्ते पर हस्ते साप सर्वहि चहुकडे मार्ग. This one, the message by Sant Tukdoji Maharaj to the people. Now next thing, peace. For a society to be peaceful, the basic needs of all of its sections need to be met. Each person must get the necessary security, and the exploitation in society must be stopped. So in order to spread peace worldwide and for nations to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by the event United Nations as International Peace Day, and on this day in New York, where the United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is followed by few moments of silence. This bell has been made from coins given by people from around 60 nations, and the message is together for peace. We are together for peace. So the inequality must decrease to maintain peace in the society, and everyone must have the right of what? Right to participate in public life. And by learning the importance of peace and by using peaceful methods, we can create a peaceful environment, not only for the village, not only for the city, not only for the state, or not only for the nation, but for the world. A peaceful environment, which is very important. So if there is peace in the family, school and society, again I am repeating the same thing, not only in the family or in the society, it is very important to maintain peace in our school also, because it benefit a lot. Peace contributes significantly to progress. It creates scope for advances in various fields like business, industry, education, art, literature, entertainment, science and technology. So in this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. So in our today's topic, we have learned that everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in civic life. It is not a personal or individual responsibility. As a society, it's our responsibility. Problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. That is what together we can grow. Dialogue and discussions can help solve disputes. Disputes can be solved peacefully, and if there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone benefits. Peace is a social value and we should maintain it for the betterment of our society, for the betterment of our family, for the betterment of our school, village, city, nation and for the world. And in this way, we can solve our own issues, own problems, or if any dispute.
Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications.
So my dear students, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care.